How to sign in Dramacool account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log into your Dramacool account. For this, open up any web browser and search for Dramacool login. Now, from the search results, you want to click on the login option. Here, you first of all want to enter your username. Once you have entered it, you want to enter the password. Check both the details to ensure accuracy. Now, if you want these details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link that says Forgot Password. Now, click on the Sign In option. If all of your details are correct, you will be signed into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply click on the sign up option, then enter all of your details in order to create a new account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.